Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today I'll show you how to change the time zone in Messenger. So let's get started. First, open Messenger, then tap on the three lines and go to Settings. In older versions, Messenger had a built-in option to change the time zone, but after the recent update, it's no longer available. So instead, you'll need to adjust it from your phone's settings. At the top, search for Set Time. Tap on Set Time Zone automatically and turn this option off. Now, manually select the time zone you want. Next, turn off Use Location to set time zone and also turn off the Locale Default option. Once that's done, your time zone will automatically update in Messenger. And that's it. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.